Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we take a closer look at the latest products to help you make more informed buying decisions. Today, we're checking out the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric stand mixer with a 3.5 quart stainless steel bowl. This is a stand mixer designed for anyone who loves to bake, offering a powerful motor and some nice features to make mixing easy and efficient. Let's kick things off with a quick rundown of what this mixer has to offer. The Hamilton Beach stand mixer is equipped with a 300-watt motor, which is capable of handling everything from thick doughs to lighter batters. It comes with 3 different attachments: a dough hook, a whisk, and a flat beater. These allow you to mix everything from bread dough to meringue without missing a beat. The 3.5 quart stainless steel bowl is large enough to tackle bigger batches, but still compact enough for everyday use. And the Planetary mixing action ensures that you get even coverage every time. There's also a fold setting designed to help you reduce mess when adding dry ingredients into wet ones, making the whole process less messy and more efficient. Now let's talk about how this stand mixer performs in real-world use. I spent some time testing it with a range of tasks, from whipping cream to kneading bread dough, and I can confidently say it does not disappoint. First off, setting it up was easy enough. Attach the bowl, drop in the whisk or dough hook, and you're ready to go. The 6-speed settings offer plenty of flexibility for various tasks. For things like cookie dough or cake batters, the mid-range speeds worked well, providing smooth, consistent mixing. The dough hook did a great job with bread, kneading the dough thoroughly without requiring a lot of hands-on effort. It's worth noting that the bowl is easy to lock into place, and the mixer's tilt-up head makes it easy to add ingredients and switch attachments. On the flip side, there are a few things to consider. While the motor is strong enough for most tasks, it could struggle a little with very thick dough, especially if you're making something like pizza dough with a high flour-to-liquid ratio. Additionally, the mixer does get a bit loud at higher speeds, which is common with most mixers in this price range. But it's something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to noise. The fold setting is a neat feature, but it's not as slow as some other mixers in this category, meaning there might still be a bit of splatter if you're not careful. In terms of build quality, the Hamilton Beach stand mixer feels solid and durable. The stainless steel bowl looks great and holds up well to daily use. The motor is powerful enough for most baking needs, though again, it might not handle super heavy-duty tasks, as well as some higher-end mixers. However, for the average home baker, it should more than suffice. The attachments, though functional, are fairly standard and might not have the same premium feel as some more expensive mixers. Still, they get the job done and can handle a variety of mixing tasks with ease. When it comes to value for money, this mixer falls into a competitive price range. It's not the cheapest stand mixer out there, but for the features it offers, it's definitely reasonable. The 300-watt motor, 3.5 quart bowl, and 3 useful attachments provide a solid foundation for a wide range of baking projects. If you're comparing it to other models in the same price range, like the KitchenAid Classic or the Cuisinart SM50, you'll find that those mixers often come with slightly more power or additional features, but they also cost significantly more. If you don't need top-tier power or the additional bells and whistles, the Hamilton Beach is a solid choice that delivers good value for its price. Comparing this to other stand mixers in its class, it stands out in a few areas. The Planetary mixing action is something you'd usually find in more expensive models, and it ensures even mixing every time. The fold setting is also a nice touch, especially for anyone who makes bread or other recipes where you want to avoid splatter. However, in terms of motor power, it's not quite on the level of some of the more premium models. So if you do a lot of heavy-duty baking or need something with more muscle, you might want to look elsewhere. As far as build quality and longevity go, this mixer is built to last for the price. The stainless steel bowl and sturdy construction feel like they'll hold up for a long time. That said, the motor might wear down quicker than higher-end mixers if you're really pushing it to its limits. It's a well-constructed appliance, but the overall longevity will depend on how much you use it and what kind of tasks you're asking it to perform. If you've had any experience with Hamilton Beach's customer service, you know they're known for their relatively quick response times and helpfulness. While I didn't have any issues that required customer support for this model, Hamilton Beach has a generally good reputation for customer service, and that can be reassuring if any issues were to arise down the road. So what's the final verdict on this Hamilton Beach stand mixer? For the price, it's a solid, reliable choice for casual bakers who want a versatile, easy-to-use mixer without breaking the bank. It performs well for most tasks, is easy to operate, and offers decent mixing power. However, if you're an experienced baker who needs something that can handle heavy-duty doughs or a wide variety of attachments, you might want to look into a more powerful model. Overall, it's a great option for beginners or anyone who needs a mixer for occasional baking. Before we wrap up, if you're enjoying the review so far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for sticking with us. If you've used the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric stand mixer, let us know in the comments what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below, and we'll do our best to answer. Until next time, thanks for watching Reviews Inside TV. Keep mixing it up!